Hello lefty wannabes and welcome back to the channel Right Left Hand. So looks like we are here for a second time and we'll be continuing the maintenance series. As you can see above, we are now on the second maintenance of the year 2022 and we'll start with the uppercase alphabet. So I'm expecting not to see a huge improvement month to month. Just because I'm not writing consistently. So, yeah, we'll see. But hopefully you guys are practicing outside of these maintenance videos so you can see some of the progress that you make yourself. Okay. I notice I'm writing a little bit bigger than I did last time, and not a big deal at all. Sometimes it's nice to write big, because if you write a little too small, it's harder to get those kind of micro movements going. So that's why sometimes I like to write bigger. And that's why it's nice to have a non-lined piece of paper, because then you can kind of see the progress and not have to be constrained by those lines all the time. All right, and there you go, maintenance 2. That's one for the history books, and that's all I have. So alrighty, goodbye.